Hello guys, welcome to Error Busters. In this video, I'm showing an issue that occurs to me while connecting to an SQL Server in Visual Studio. I'm using Visual Studio 2022. Let's see how to fix this. If you are having the same issue, this video is for you. In the Server Explorer window, you cannot see any server names that are showing in SQL Server Management Studio. Here you see, refreshing does not fix this error. Let's see how we can fix this. In the View tab, go to SQL Server Object Explorer. In that window, you can see, in my case, it only has one server. We have to add other servers we have. You can see here, the server showing called LocalDB only contains some system databases. Click the small button up there, Add SQL Server. You can all servers in the SQL Server Management Studio. Inside the local servers, in my case this is my server name, you can see it in my SQL Server Management Studio. Select the server add settings according to your server. Here this error showing, because my server is Trust Server. Certification is on, let me fix it. OK, now press OK. Now you can see our server is showing in the Server Object Explorer. Right, click and go to rename. Copy this server name. Now go to Server Explorer, right, click and click, add new connection past the server name. Now you can see all the databases we have in our SQL Studio. So guys, hope you fix your issues. If you like my content, please leave a like. To learn more about these kinds of stuff, subscribe to the channel. If you think this video is useful, share it with your friends. Thanks for joining me guys. Let's meet for a new video.